Mga kaibigan, si Nelbert Vitoy Molon katitikada lang ng kanyang sariling TM3 para palawingin na naman ang kalamangan ng Santa Lucia. It now stands at 3 points at 16-13 with 5 minutes and 5 seconds remaining here in the first quarter.
Well, some new players on the floor for Pure Foods, no? Because si James Yap is now sitting on the bench. Si PJ Simon, na kanina lang nakatira. Now it's gonna go to the free throw line.
Franklin Grace, nandiyan din.
Roger Yap, oo. Ano din si Roger Yap.
Romel Ladukul.
Well, nakita din natin, no? Si James Yap was the man tasked to defend against Denok Miranda, the last two offensive runs for Santa Lucia. Didn't do a very good job.
Basta ka na. A shade under 5 minutes remaining here in the first quarter. At pinaplas ni Roger Yap ang kalamangan ng Santa Lucia. Now down to 1 point. Ryan Reyes is in the game also para sa Santa Lucia Realty. Pabantala Joseph Yo, may tanga ng bola. Binigay kay Ryan Reyes. Reyes, sinahanap si Bitoy Omolon. Omolon against Kirby Raimundo. Kelly Williams momentarily open. Final press against inyo. The best player of the conference, Kelly Williams.
And not a good sign here for Pure Foods because nakakatatlong TM press na ang Santa Lucia. Pure Foods still has to hit a single 3-point shot.
Ano daw si PJ Simon? Pumihit.
Meron na pala isang 3-point shot. Si Andy Larong.
Si Andy Larong.
That's right.
And a steal by Pure Foods. Tuloy-tuloy si PJ Simon. Alalahanin mo rin yan, ha? Umusot yan. Si Peter June Simon in game number 3. Bagamat inabot siya ng pulikat, ng cramps. Talaga namang heroic yung ginawa ni PJ Simon doon. Umalog naman ang tira ni Kenny Williams. PJ Simon scored 26 points in game 3 on 8 of 11 shooting and 7 out of 8 from the free throw line from PJ Simon. Nasa penalty na ang Santa Lucia as Joseph Yo picked up his second personal foul. So free throws na rito para kay Roger Yap ng Pure Foods. As you look at Coach Boyet Fernandez of Santa Lucia, 4-point lead by the Realtors. Roger Yap already gone for it para sa lakas na di umaayaw. Roger Yap makes both. At binaba na naman ang lamang ng Santa Lucia down to 2 at 21-19. 3 minutes and 38 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Kelly Williams from the corner.
Roger Yap, a very feisty defender, is assigned now to take on Kelly Williams. Foul on Omolon.
Yes, first personal on Omolon at nabanggit nga natin as a penalty niya sa Santa Lucia. So free throws na naman. This time, Kirby Raimundo is at the line.
Alam mo, partner, sa minsan, if you're a tall player like Kelly Williams and you see that your defender is much shorter than you, ang tendency mo, titira ka na lang ng jump shot. And I think yan naman ang gusto ni ng kanyang defender, no? To be able to get him, to goad him, si Roger Yap, to goad him to take the jump shot instead of driving strong. The last 3 attempts si Kelly Williams have all been from the outside.
Of course, hindi pumapasok. Yun ang problema dyan.
Last one, however, did. So, no averages din yan.
Tabla na tayo mga kaibigan sa 21. Paulo Mendoza is at the point guard slot para sa Santa Lucia. Binigay kay Ryan Reyes. Moving against Mike Pingree. Short jumper by Reyes is in and out. Adukol para sa rebound. Binigay kay Roger Yap. Sinasalubong ni Ryan Reyes. Roger Yap inside. Kinapikan ni Ryan Reyes. Yan magaling yun eh. Ang bilis na kamay niya si Ryan Reyes. Pero ito si Kirby Raimundo. Bola! Rebound kay Kirby Raimundo pa rin. Kinabayan ni Kirby Raimundo inside and he scores. Teka.
Sandali, ano yun?
Tatawagan ko rin ito. The referee nullifies the basket. Kirby Raimundo reacted and looks like a technical is going to be called on Kirby.
There's a lot of emotion on the floor.
Oh, yeah. Ganito rin. Umuusap pa rin si Kirby Raimundo. Naglalagot. Pinaghirapan siya ng offensive tiro. I don't know what happened.
They got the offensive rebound. They nullified the basket.
Merong offensive foul daw yata na tinawag. Tingnan natin kung ano nangyari dito.
Ito, makita natin kung anong ginawa ni Kirby dito. He really worked hard for this.
Ayun. Kaya
He was called for the offensive foul.
Offensive foul tinawag.
I don't know about that.
Nagbanggaan sila.
Nagkaroon nga ng bagaan, but hey, this is a physical game.
Yeah.
Eto, let's watch it again from another angle here. Oh, you can't fault Kelly Williams. He was a good acting job on his part. Pero tinawagan si Kirby Raimundo ng offensive foul. And that's very frustrating.
Yeah.
Kung player ka, no?
Talaga magkakabanggaan.
Pinagtrabaho mo, yung ginawa mo, nakatira ka ng shoot, pumasok nga yung tira, and then you're called for a technical, for an offensive foul na nalify pa yung basket.
Well, si referee Maurilio na siya tumawag nung offensive foul na yun. Ang siyang... may technical ba? May technical ba? Wala. Offensive foul daw.
Yes, it is a technical foul. Kirby Raimundo.
Pati si Mark Henry.
Dalawa technical foul. Slap on Surfus. I also thought it was a late call. It was a late call.
Okay, mga kaibigan, we have a timeout. We'll be right back. Paolo Mendoza, nagbintis yung una, pumasok yung pangalawa. Dalawang technical free throw yun. Let's go to Patricia Bermudez Hizon about Santa Lucia. Patricia.
Well, I had some interesting reactions galing sa Santa Lucia camp about the James Yap suspension. Nagpunta sila sa PBA office kahapon hindi upang pursigihin yung pag-suspend kay James Yap, hindi para kumuha ng clarification sa mga rules at sa mga tawag nung last game. And according to Boss Buddy Encarnado, sinasabi nila na gusto nga nila na nandito si James Yap sa series na to para pag nanalo sila ng championship, hindi mawawala yung quality at saka yung ecstasy sa pagpanalo nila ng serye na to. And they also added, this is another interesting point, they also added na yung rules clarification na sinasabi nilang kinuha nila sa PBA kahapon, mutually beneficial. Hindi lang naman para sa Santa Lucia, hindi para sa Pure Foods then. Back to you, Edwin Chinito.
Thank you, Patricia. Siyempre, mga kaibigan, sasabihin ng Santa Lucia na gugustuhin nila na nandiyan si James Yap. Pero palagay ko, yung mga fans ng Santa Lucia, gusto nila, wala.
What about that offensive rebound?
Paano?
Pulot lang ni Marlo Aquino sa loob. Parang matangkad, 6'9" player, the skyscraper scoring unmolested underneath. Ito sinasabi natin about perimeter artillery. So far, so good para sa Santa Lucia. But that's the point we wanted to make for Pure Foods. So far, Giants not getting it done from the outside.
Fast break play by Santa Lucia. Mabilis na bumaba ang Pure Foods sa depensa. Pero Paolo Mendoza finds a way to score. 26-21, lamang ng 5. Ang Santa Lucia, this is their biggest lead.
And this is a big spurt by Santa Lucia. After that last series of technical fouls, si Kirby Raimundo umupo muna. And I thought it was a good move on the part of Coach Ryan Gregorio. Medyo mainit si Kirby, so wanted to sit him down, cool him off, settle him down.
Mainit itong series na ito, Kinito. We expect na talagang, sabi mo nga, no? Very emotion. Pero sana naman, hindi ba magpunta sa hindi maganda, no? Basketball na tayo. And the first by Roger Yap was good. I'm sure that all of the players, is that what they want to play basketball? If you look at Governor Oscar Moreno, ayan, si Governor Oca Moreno ng Misamis Oriental, and basketball legend, Val Rosabal, dating Ismael, dating Iko, dating player.
Ang balita natin, partner, si Governor Moreno came straight to the airport.
Yes.
To the Araneta Coliseum.
Tama.
He didn't want to miss a single moment of action sa ating game number 4.
That's right. Nasipa naman ni Ryan Reyes yung bola. Alam mo naman si Governor Oca Moreno, talagang basketball pa niyan. Saka naglalaro yan. Hanggang ngayon, at least 2-3 times a week. All right, a minute and 21 to go here in the first quarter. Lamang ng tatlo, Santa Lucia, 26-23.
Kita natin, nagkatala ng bola dito for Pure Foods just to be able to cross that line with Mark Pingrich.
Roger Yap. Ibang klase rin umislash ito si Roger Yap.
Nakikita natin yung aggressiveness ng Pure Foods. No? They're challenging the big men inside. They're using quickness. Yap at saka si Peter June Simon moving inside, going for the high percentage shots. Kanya naman, they're not getting the job done from the outside. They're concentrating inside.
A minute and 9 seconds remaining in the first. Lamang ng dalawa sa Santa Lucia, 26-24. Janet Miranda, dala-dala ang bola para sa Santa Lucia. Sila sa loob ng PJ Simon. Lumalabas ang Henry Williamson, pero goes to Ryan Reyes. Ryan Reyes against Mark Kingrich. There's the hit by Marlo Aquino. Wala pa puntahan, pero nakuha ulit ni Ryan Reyes. in. Marlon is inside. He gets it to bounce in. Ang ganda ng pasa ni Ryan Reyes kay Marlon na nag-aantay lang sa loob.
Well, Reyes